One of the freedoms that Americans cherish is the right to express an opinion. The people responsible for gathering many of those opinions are survey researchers. These researchers create questionnaires designed for specific purposes. For example, clients may want to find out what people think about certain products, services, or even political issues. The next step is to get the public to respond to the questionnaire. There are many ways survey researchers achieve this. Some conduct interviews, either face to face or on the telephone. Here, a clear speaking voice and polite, pleasant manner are essential.
Which brands of blood glucose meter do you currently use?
Surveys are also conducted on the internet or through the mail. Whatever method is used to elicit responses, the researcher must organize and interpret the information gathered. This usually requires writing highly detailed reports supported by charts and graphs. Employers look for survey researchers who have advanced college degrees in marketing, statistics, and/or business administration. Good communication skills, patience, persistence, attention to detail, and the ability to work well with others are also valuable traits to have.
This ad is still outperforming this ad.
Most survey researchers work under tight deadlines. They might need to put in long hours to get the job done. Travel may be necessary as well. And there's another ingredient to success in this career. It certainly helps to be truly interested in what other people are thinking, because it's your job to find out.